Next cell organelles is of mitochondria. Mitochondria first time observed by the scientist Kolliker. And the mitochondrial name given by the C. Benda. C. Benda was the scientist who given the name mitochondria, and it observed by the Kolliker. Mitochondria, it is rod-like structure. It is a rod-like structure. It is present in all eukaryotic cells except mammalian RBC. The mitochondria is bounded by two membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. It is bounded by the two membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. Inner membrane highly folded inwards. दो मेम्ब्रेन से ये बाउंडेड होती है, आउटर मेम्ब्रेन और इनर मेम्ब्रेन. इनर मेम्ब्रेन जो होती है अंदर की तरफ फोल्ड होती है, एंड दिस फोल्ड इज नोन एज क्रिस्टी. दिस इज ऑफ आउटर मेम्ब्रेन and this is of inner membrane. Outer membrane is of freely permeable, inner membrane is selectively permeable for the different types of substance, and the space present between both the membrane is known as outer chamber. And this finger like structure which is present inside the which is performed by the inner membrane is known as cristae. That cristae increase the surface area of mitochondria. इसका मेन काम क्या है, ये सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज कर देती. These are the finger like projections which folded inside, and this chamber is known as inner chamber. Inner, or also known as matrix. That inner chamber is known as matrix. Matrix contain jelly like substance or semi liquid substance. It is also contain a DNA that is known as mitochondrial DNA. इसमें एक DNA भी होता है जिसको mitochondrial DNA कह सकते हैं. It is also has ribosome that is of 70S ribosomes. 70S type of ribosome. The inner membrane is enfolded inside, and that contain granular substance. Inner membrane अंदर की तरफ फोल्ड होती है और इस पर एक ग्रेन्युलर सब्सटेंस होता है, टेनिस रैकेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं चारों तरफ. यहाँ इट कंटेन ग्रेन्युलर लाइक सब्सटेंस, एंड दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल. और ऑक्सीसोम और F0 F1 पार्टिकल. F0 इनको एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल कह सकते हैं, या ऑक्सीसोम कह सकते हैं, या F0 F1 पार्टिकल कह सकते हैं. These F0 F1 particle or elementary particle help in the synthesis of ATP. This elementary particle help in the synthesis of ATP, and all the enzyme required for the ATP synthesis present on the inner membrane. Mitochondria, we know it is the powerhouse of the cell. It forms the energy which is required for the body for the growth and development. Due to presence of three things, that is 70S ribosome, mitochondrial DNA, and different enzyme in the mitochondrial matrix. These three things, that is 70S ribosome, DNA and enzyme. It produces its required protein. Due to presence of these three things, mainly 70S ribosome, DNA and enzyme, it formed or it produced its required protein. That's why mitochondria is also known as semi-autonomous organelle. Semi-autonomous organelle. Semi-autonomous because it is works under the nucleus, but some protein required the mitochondria that synthesized by itself. This is the structure of mitochondria, and the main function of the mitochondria it produce ATP required by the body, and that required for the growth and development. So mainly its function is of mitochondria, that is formation of ATP. Next cell organelles is of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is also known as Golgi complex. Golgi complex or dictyosome. Dictyosome especially in plant cell. It is also known as Baker's body, Dalton's body, बहुत सारे नाम है, but mainly it is Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, and especially in plant cell it is known as dictyosome. Golgi complex first time observed by the Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi. It is found in cells nearby the nucleus. It is present near the nucleus. It is present in all eukaryotic cells except RBC, mammalian RBC. Mammalian RBC के अंदर ये नहीं होता. Otherwise, it is present in all eukaryotic cells. It is absent in prokaryotic cell. If we see the structure of Golgi complex, structure it is made up of three types of elements, that is cisternae, it is plate sac like structures. Plate sac like structure is known as cisternae. Second type of vesicles, that is of small circular structure known as vesicles, and third one is of tubules. It is elongated or branched tube like structures, that is known as tubules. So its structure is of three types, that is like cisternae, vesicles and tubules. If we see the function of Golgi complex, the Golgi complex help in the secretion of different things, secretion of different types of enzymes and other substance. Next, it is help in the synthesis of simple sugar. Synthesis of simple sugar, that is known as polysaccharide type से simple sugar के synthesis में help करता है. It is help in the formation of glycoprotein. Also, it is help in the formation of membrane of new cell organelles. Formation of membrane of new cell organelles. जो नए सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स बनते हैं उनकी मेम्ब्रेन फॉर्मेशन में भी ये हेल्प करते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो हेल्प इन इंट्रासेल्यूलर ट्रांसपोर्ट. सेल के अंदर किसी चीज का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हो रहा है तो उसमें भी ये हेल्प करता है. सो दीज आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ Golgi complex, secretion of different things such like enzymes help in the synthesis of simple sugar, formation of glycoproteins, formation of membrane of new cell organelles, intracellular transport. These are the function of Golgi complex. The next cell organelles is of lysosome. Lysosome. One more function of the Golgi complex, that is helping the lysosome, primary lysosome. So primary lysosome is made up from the Golgi complex. So next cell organelle is of lysosome. It is first time observed by D. Dewey. D. Dewey ने इसको सबसे पहले ऑब्जर्व किया था. That lysosome is unit membrane or single membrane bounded structure. Single membrane bounded structure. Single membrane bounded structure. And the lysosome which is formed by the Golgi complex, that is known as primary lysosome. Primary lysosome. Lysosome or newly formed lysosome, that is known as primary lysosome. It contains hydrolytic enzymes. Lysosome contain hydrolytic enzymes. Many enzymes present inside the lysosomes. It is present in eukaryotic cells, absent in the prokaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, it is present throughout all the cells except the RBC of mammals. Mammals के RBC में नहीं होता, बाकी ये सभी के अंदर ये present होता है. And that contains specially hydrolytic enzymes. What its function? Its function is of help in intracellular digestion, help in intracellular digestion. If you see in the amoeba, that is unicellular organism, where the lysosome and food combine together to form secondary lysosome. Lysosome, and which is also known as food vacuoles. तो ये सेल के अंदर डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है. जैसा कि अमीबा में लाइसोसोम और फूड दोनों मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं, सेकेंडरी लाइसोसोम बनाते हैं. और उसके बाद जो अनडाइजेस्टेड पोर्शन बचा रहता है, अनडाइजेस्टेड पार्ट, दैट इज नोन एज टर्सरी लाइसोसोम. So here three types of lysosome is there. First one is a primary lysosome, newly formed lysosome. Second one, it is combined with the food that make food vacuoles. That is known as secondary lysosome. And after the digestion of food material, the remaining portion is known as undigested food. We can say tertiary lysosome. Otherwise, it is the main lysosome is of a primary lysosome. So its first function is of that help in the intracellular digestion. The food material which is present inside the cell, that is digested by the lysosome. Again, protect from bacteria. From बैक्टीरिया, अगर बैक्टीरिया और वायरस कोई भी आपको अटैक करता है तो बॉडी को, तो दैट टाइम इट इज ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम दीज बैक्टीरिया एंड अदर वायरस एंड एनी अदर फॉरेन बॉडी मॉलिक्यूल्स. तो प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम बैक्टीरिया एंड एनी अदर फॉरेन बॉडी पोर्शन और फॉरेन बॉडी पार्ट. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ ओल्ड सेल्स. रिमूवल ऑफ ओल्ड सेल. ओल्ड सेल को बॉडी से रिमूव करता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज scavengers of the body. It is also known as scavengers. What is the scavenger? Scavenger that remove from the nature dead and decaying portion of the different plants and animals. Plants और animals के जो decaying portion होते हैं उनको nature से remove करते हैं, उनको scavengers कहते हैं. Like that, it remove old cell of the body. That's why it is also known as body scavenger, human body scavengers. तो ये body से old portion को बाहर निकालने का काम करता है। नेक्स्ट फंक्शन अगर अपन देखें, इट इज हेल्प इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एक्रोसोम, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ acrosome, acrosome in sperm. The apical portion of the sperm is known as acrosperm. sperm का जो मेल गैमिट है, मेल गैमिट का सबसे आगे वाला पोर्शन जो उसको एक्रोसोम कहते हैं। एक्रोसोम किसके थ्रू बनता है? लाइसोसोम के थ्रू बनता है। सो एक्रोसोम ऑफ द स्पर्म। एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज ऑफ हेल्प इन मेटामॉर्फोसिस। What is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis, just like if you see that frog, tadpole frog. तो tadpole frog looks like fish that has tails. frog का जो tadpole होता है वो fish के जैसे दिखाई देता है और उसमें क्या होती है? टेल होती है, जबकि एडल्ट में टेल नहीं होती। तो कन्वर्जन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रॉम वन टाइप टू अनदर टाइप, या उसकी जो स्ट्रक्चर चेंज हो जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज मेटामॉर्फोसिस। एडल्ट में देखें तो टेल नहीं होती, तो टेल दैट रिमूव विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइसोसोम, यानी टेल में जो लाइसोसोम है वो ब्रस्ट हो जाते हैं और टेल को धीरे धीरे रिमूव कर देते हैं। तो दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज मेटामॉर्फोसिस। वी कैन से दैट remove the different portion, some different part which is not present in the adult में नहीं होते, उन पोर्शन को बॉडी से अलग हटा दिया जाता है थ्रू द लाइसोसोम, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज कन्वर्जन ऑफ वन फॉर्म टू अनदर फॉर्म, दैट इज द मेटामॉर्फोसिस। इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सुसाइडल बैग्स। सुसाइडल bags. Why it is known as suicidal bags? Sometime it digest self cell also. कभी कभी ये अपनी खुद सेल को, सेल्फ सेल को डाइजेस्ट करता है। क्यों? कि सेल ऑर्गेनाइज काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, प्रॉपर नहीं कर रहे हैं, या स्टारवेशन बहुत, यानी बहुत भूख के टाइम में ऐसा होता है कि अपने सेल्फ सेल ऑर्गेनेल को डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है, यानी खुद सेल को ही डाइजेस्ट, जिस सेल में ये है उसी को डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है, डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज सुसाइडल बैग्स। इसको क्या कहते हैं? सुसाइडल बैग्स। सो दीज आर द फंक्शन ऑफ द लाइसोसोम। इंट्रासेल्युलर डाइजेशन, प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम द बैक्टीरिया, रिमूवल ऑफ ओल्ड सेल्स, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज स्कैवेंजर्स, formation of acrosome in sperm, help in metamorphosis in frog, and it is also known as suicidal bags because it is digest self cell also, that is known as autolysis. So these are the function of the lysosomes.